My name is Veronica Calhoun, and I live in Roy, Utah. I checked reviews, which I do a lot of, and ES Solar had the best reviews possible out there. I'd recommend ES Solar to anybody who is looking to go into solar. Look at their website, call them, talk to somebody, have somebody come out, look at your property, let them recommend what they think your property needs, which ours had solar panels, but we needed more. We went with the battery backup on it. It was a no pressure sale from Casey. He was great. The installation, Weston's team was just awesome. They were very professional, but made you feel at ease. Everybody there makes me feel at ease when I talk to anybody or see anybody, call anybody. You know, a lot of people think that the price of, what you're paying up front, people told us, well, you'll never have that paid off. You'll never get the money back. But it's not about that. It's about having a $10.65 electric bill a month. It's knowing that I'm not putting CO2 out into the atmosphere. That I'm going to leave something for our grandchildren and great-grandchildren who are going to be at my house if there's a power outage in the area, because I will probably be the only one with power. It's amazing. It really is. I would recommend it to anybody. If you're interested in it and you're watching this, reach out. Have somebody come and talk to you. You will not regret it. If we can save for future generations, why not? Like I said, I just had my 7th grade grandchild last night, so, I want to make sure that they have something when I leave this world.